Are you curious about what makes wheat so special? Let's uncover the secrets inside a wheat grain. All right, let's dive in. A wheat grain has three main parts: the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. First up, the bran. This is the outer layer packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's what gives whole wheat products their hearty texture. Next, we have the germ. This tiny but mighty part is the nutritional powerhouse. Full of vitamins, healthy fats, and antioxidants, the germ is where new wheat plants sprout. And finally, the endosperm. This is the largest part of the grain, rich in starch, carbohydrates, and some protein. The endosperm is what white flour is mostly made from. So, to summarize, the bran provides essential fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The germ is a nutritional powerhouse full of vitamins, healthy fats, and antioxidants. The endosperm offers starch, carbohydrates, and protein. Together, they make wheat a nutritious and versatile ingredient. Curious to learn more about the art and science of baking? Explore more about the art of baking on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious content. Happy baking, and see you next time!